Hi, my name is Isaias, and today I'm gonna have the opportunity to teach you how to make one of my favorite dishes. So let's get ready and follow me to the kitchen so we can make guacamole today. First, you will need 2 serrano peppers, cut them lengthwise, and then chop finely. Next, you will use 3/4 of 1 purple onion, cut into medium-sized slices. Then stack the slices and finely chop. Using 1 bunch of cilantro, cut off and throw away the stems. Then finely chop the leaves. Now squeeze 1 whole lime into the mixture of the serranos, onions, and cilantro. For seasonings, I use garlic salt, black pepper, Mexican oregano, a pinch of thyme leaves, and Knorr chicken bouillon. Lastly, add a dash of olive oil. Next, you will chop 3 Roma tomatoes. Cut lengthwise and scrape out the seeds and soft insides, then dice. Now you will cut and dice 4 avocados. Add everything into a bowl and mix. As you mix, crush the avocados until they become smooth. Now your guacamole is done and you can eat it with tortilla chips and share it with your family and friends.